Okay guys, welcome back to the arch cabin build. You can see this is where we started from. We run a chalk line, string line down, and we're using this curb as our datum line because we're wanting to keep the whole cabin in line with the curb. And then if you measure in sort of 18 inches to your first concrete block, lay the four of them evenly depending on the size of the cabin you're doing. We of course are 6 meters, so 4 blocks equally spaced, and then your runners on top of that. I'll let you see it on a... Okay, here we are on the bench, and we use the edge of the bench as the datum line where the string was coming down. And these will represent our concrete blocks, evenly spaced from your datum line. And then, of course, if you can make up your skids, your runners, whatever you want to call them. We, of course, at 6 meters. You could be 3 meters, 12 feet, whatever you want to call it. So they go on there, roughly about 23 inches from the datum line. Same again with your other runners. At this stage, you want to measure from corner to corner, corner to corner to get it exactly straight. You can move them up and down and you get it. And then your first joist goes on. Again, evenly spaced. You want these at about 23 inches. Not forgetting that when your last board, your last girt board as you would call it, goes on the side, then your overall length is exactly the width of the shed or whatever you want. Again, when you put your last one on, you want to be measuring corner to corner, corner to corner, to get the whole thing perfectly straight. Once you have these two, front and back, perfectly straight, you can then again run a string from each one, and that'll allow you to get set for where your next one's going to come in to meet. Just nearly touching the string. Don't touch the string, because if you touch the string then you'll bend the whole thing. And we were setting our joists here. We're setting them at 400. The gap to be 400. One sheet of insulation is 1200 wide, so we get 3 runs out of one sheet. And then we just toenail these in there, there, and at the back. You put a clamp on the back of them, then it's ensured they'll not move while you're doing that. Same thing there, a clamp on the back here, and toenail them in at each side. That'll do us. See, I'll catch you later.